For businesses that are being sold for less than $2 million, typically we use what's called SDE, Seller Discretionary Earnings. I'll get into a little bit of that here in a second, but it's essentially, it's your profit, it's your cash flow, it's what you're actually making in your business. And then we add back some of the discretionary expenses. So that could be something like your automotive expenses, your salary, if you've got travel expenses, that sort of stuff gets put in there. SDE, it's the net earnings of the business on an accrual basis. Remember, if you have any inventory, you've got to be doing your books in an accrual basis, because the importance of that is your cost of goods is basically a crapshoot when you do it based on cash. We have to know what's the inventory starting point at the beginning of the month and what's the inventory at the end of the month. And we have to know that every month so we can see what the true cost of goods is month over month. And that affects profitability. If we don't do that, we can't actually see, whether you're making money or losing money, because let's say you do a big PO and you order a bunch of stuff in June, and then you're chipping away at that, June, July, August, September. If you're on a cash basis, you entered like a $200,000 order in June, or maybe you didn't actually enter it until you received it. So you made the order in June, you didn't receive it until August, so you entered in August. It's all the timing screws it all up. So doing it based on accrual is really important, so you can have this nice smooth line of inventory so that buyers can see that. So SDE is the net earnings of the business on an accrual basis plus the reduction. So this is a double negative. So this is plus the reduction of interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. So you're actually, you're adding in whatever reduction you took for interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. That basically brings your SDE up. Plus all of your expenses, which are add backs that are considered personal to ownership. So this is stuff that these are like benefits to the owners of the company. Then also you add in the one-time business expenses that a buyer would never have again on this business. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications about new videos and interviews. And introduce yourself in the comments. Are you a buyer or a seller?